about to go inside Savi's workshop, and it's gonna be really fun. This is Savi's workshop courtyard, and those are the doors I'm gonna go into, and yep. Power and control.
Even magnify it. You see, young Padawans, it will be the color of your crystal that will determine the color of your lightsaber's blade. If you've studied the histories, you know. The blue, wielded by the greatest of them all, Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now the new Jedi, Rey. Green was once the crystal of Kenobi's teacher, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, now that's the rarest. As far as we know, one of the only masters to wield it was named Mace Windu. Red.
The crystal of power.
Power. Darth Maul. Asajj Ventress. The great Lord Vader. So powerful, he brought balance to the Force with his own hand. And now, Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past.